When listing products in the Amazon store, you'll need to be aware of product restrictions and conditions. Properly listing products helps keep your account health in good standing and helps earn customer trust. Before creating your first listing, start by reviewing the Overview of Categories page for specific listing requirements related to your products. All products for sale in the Amazon store must comply with all applicable laws, regulations, and Amazon policies. Some products are considered restricted or prohibited categories by Amazon. Restricted products require sellers to obtain approval before being permitted to list them in the Amazon store. For example, categories like health and personal care, beauty, and jewelry are considered restricted. Requiring an application to sell restricted products helps us ensure products are safe, authentic, and meet local and regional regulations. For a full list of product categories that require approval to sell, search Categories and Products that require approval in Seller Central. Prohibited products are products that can't be sold in the Amazon store. These include illegal or dangerous products, recalled products, or products available by prescription only. It's important to note that for some products, there can be both permitted and prohibited listings, which is why it's always a good idea to review the Restricted Products Help pages in Seller Central for more detailed information. The examples provided here are shared as an informational guide and aren't exhaustive. If you participate or plan to participate in Fulfillment by Amazon, or FBA, you should also review the FBA Product Restrictions page. There are some products that are permitted to be sold but are not eligible for the FBA program. When listing in the Amazon store, you should also ensure the condition of your product is accurately reflected. Some products are only allowed to be sold in new conditions, while others can be resold. To learn more about product conditions, you can search Condition Guidelines in Seller Central. Whenever you list in a new category, it is important to review these guidelines again. Don't assume a product is permitted, as something as small as a product description could impact whether or not it is considered restricted. You should also keep up to date with the product industry and applicable laws for any products you sell in order to keep your account healthy and provide the best possible experience for your customers.